A college senior in China was finishing up his final thesis when his email inbox flooded with messages from global tech recruiters and venture capitalists. This outreach resulted in a 30 million yuan investment, roughly $4 million from Chen Tianqiao, the founder of Shanda. The software project that secured this funding took the student exactly 10 days to build. This chart contrasts the traditional software engineering pipeline against this new solo workflow. A project of this complexity typically requires months of coordination between product managers, UI designers, and engineers. Under this new model, that timeline shrank to 10 days. This anomaly is driven by the emergence of the AI super-individual, a single person who uses artificial intelligence to replicate the output of an entire organization. The investment suggests that the barrier to entry in the tech industry has shifted. Success is no longer determined by the size of a team, but by a person's ability to exert strategic leverage through AI. The student's first project, BettaFish, demonstrates a workflow called vibe coding. This is a method where a person builds software by describing their goals in natural language rather than writing code. In the traditional workflow, a human developer manually types every line of syntax to construct the logic of a system from ground up. In this new model, the human acts as a director, and autonomous AI agents serve as the production crew. This flowchart shows BettaFish. It pulls raw internet news through AI processing nodes. Instead of counting keywords, the AI reads for context, synthesizing a single report. Labor is divided. The human makes strategic decisions, while the AI executes technical implementation. Software development is no longer a test of a person's ability to memorize syntax. It is a test of high-level system design and management. The student's second project, MiroFish, moved from analyzing the present to simulating the future. This system is powered by agentic simulation. This is a technique where multiple AI agents interact with each other to model complex behaviors. The process begins by feeding real-time market data and breaking news directly into the simulation. This diagram shows the simulation structure. AI agents role-play as distinct demographics: investors, journalists, and consumers. When news enters, these agents react based on their roles. They debate and interact, creating a cascading reaction that simulates a broad societal response. This architecture acts as a digital sandbox, a model for complex societal behavior built by one person. The value of this system is its ability to map out the potential consequences of real-world events before they happen. Critics of this technology argue that simulating human society is essentially high-tech fortune-telling. However, judging these tools by their ability to predict the future with 100% accuracy is a basic misunderstanding of their purpose. This is a probability distribution curve. The system is designed for risk visualization, specifically for identifying black swan events. These are highly improbable 1% anomalies that are often overlooked but carry massive consequences. If a simulation helps a company notice a 1% danger even slightly earlier, the system has provided significant strategic value. Chen Tianqiao's 30 million yuan investment was an acquisition of the individual's output capacity, not the specific lines of code in the project. In this model of work, artificial intelligence serves as the accelerator, but the human remains the steering wheel. The role of the developer is shifting from manual syntax construction to rapid problem-solving and direction. The workflow demonstrated by these 10-day projects indicates a shift in what one person can accomplish. When the human acts as the architect and the AI acts as the builder, a single individual can deploy complex systems that previously required an entire department.